Francis Mwijche umunyeshengera habwishaza ryabo hwejo nagamba ngo hatubonka bebembezi tubacine manu gona agwo kurwanisa obushomankuzi mu Uganda nokwe kushabe Eminyeeto okwebembere hurreji
abarebenguzi tubakwija kurwanisa enguzi ahubwo kuba niye batiro tuko baska abebembezi abarijiro mu nguzi bakugura bururu bakugura abantu bakwija kurwanisa enguzi abeji nkaba bari Bishop Stewart abebembezi b'Eminyeeto Eminyeeto yonka irikwenda nyencha kare nunji hamwe n'abanya-Uganda abawurijo no bibine kwe kwataramu bakaja imwe abebembezi mu ruganguzi ninga mu rweho abandi.
By teaching youth about public integrity, we give them the knowledge and skills to fight corruption practices and establish new behavioral norms and values for society.
Bishop Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa chancellor w'itendekero rya Bishop Stewart University nagamba ngo ihuru yo kurwana sobora ubwenguzi yatandekero Eminyeeto nekibasa kwija kucungura ihanga.
Omuntu ayinemera ume yakuza kuhereza oshanga najigaba ari kugendera Uganda ari kugendera obunda akituga nebindi kebyo so hata abana bakuba kwija bakimanya kari ngwe kintu ekyo ni kibi tubakuza kukikora
integrity garbage neza kongera munonga ahantu aza abana kwashima kuba ne batwarizana relationship between the students bobonka nkabeji
bamwe Eminyeeto aba bebembere huru yo kurwanisa enguzi nabagira ngo behireyo okushomesa batahi babo na nabazire babo akabi akariyo mu kurya enguzi.
We are going to put these measures. We are going to request all the church leaders, all the university leaders, all the institution leaders to make sure we come together as a community, as the young youth of Uganda, to fight corruption in our mother country.
Mwareba icyo twakureba mico y'abana kugira ngo mutwara akure n'emico ari kumanye kirungi ne kibi yayigayiguru tarkwija kukwakira je nguzishana nawe yayineme kinde kimurumu
oma arpota eyahereze kushoza bwa karishorisho wa government bet kamya neyereka okusente ziri kwingana trillion 11 ziri kuryanga tanisibwo mu Uganda buri mwaka. Ahabwa TV West and area Sertugus.
Clean hands. I breathe for my nation.